Hey guys, what's up? Well, we are doing an install video today. Probably the easiest install video we're ever going to have on this channel. We're putting on the Kemimoto fire extinguisher mount onto the Razor today. As you can tell, it's not Razor season, but she's in here. Let's go get her. There you go. All the tools you need to do the install right there. There we go. That's her. Nice and simple, man. That there. Hook onto your bars. And there's your tool. So first, what we're going to do, you got your base piece. This is what your fire extinguisher is gonna rest into. Find where you want to put it, really. I think I'm going to put it up a little bit higher. I think probably about there. Probably be the best bet for it. Out of the way. Yeah, maybe up to, yeah, right about there, I think. That should be pretty good. It's out of the way. Not going to get smacked around that far up. We'll go with that. Keep in mind these are lightly snugged up so I can move them around still. Kind of limited on the room I have here in the winter. So let's see where we're going to put this thing. Like I said, these are lightly on here now. They're not tight at all. Just so I can make some adjustments. Let's move this guy up a little bit. That's probably good right there. Make sure these are set up okay. That's it. Just got to pretty much snug them down. Nice and securely mounted. Now it's not going anywhere. Go off-road, do whatever I want, have a fire. I'm covered. What a beauty mount. That's actually pretty cool, man. Nice and simple. Look at that, eh? Nice. Well, there you go, guys. Probably the easiest modification you're going to do to your side-by-side. It's the Kemimoto fire extinguisher mount. The description, the links, everything is down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell if you want to see some more stuff. Let's see here. We're getting ready. Change of season. Time to go sledding. I'm going to pull it with that this year.